how to study in India as foreign student or African student. So whether you're from Africa or from Asia, you're planning to study in India. So I'm gonna share few of the process that you can take in case you're planning to come to India. So this is your African boy, myself, Gabs Gabi. I'm from South Sudan in Africa, and currently I'm in India. I'm done with my study, guys, in BTech. So I used to get a lot of DMs and message from people that I don't know, and because I used to make vlogs about India, so they knew that I'm studying in India. So a lot of them, they are curious to know how to study in India and what to do. So today I'm going to share few step or the process that you have to do if you're planning to come India or to study in India for the first time, whether you're from Nepal, Bhutan, other neighboring countries of India, or whether you are from Africa. So this video is important to you all. So if you're planning to come and study in India, the first thing you have to do is getting the acceptance letter. To get the acceptance letter, you have to apply for your college or the university that you choose. So after that, the university will accept you and you will get a letter, and this letter will help you out, guys, to go for the second process. So to get the acceptance letter, it can either be online or offline, but you can choose what is good for you. So if you're lucky enough to have someone who is already staying in India, maybe friend or anyone that you know, that they can help you and to go to the university or the office and to help you to do all the process, which I see it also best and good way. And also, if you don't have any friend, it's okay, you can do it online, guys. But you know, nowadays there's a lot of scam process which happen online, but that's not a problem. All the way can also happen. So you just have to make sure that you have to get first to select the university or the college. You have to do the application for the university. After getting the acceptance letter, then you have to go for the second process, which is the second step. So the second step you have to do is the getting the student visa. So you will be in your country, it doesn't matter where you are, either in Asia or Africa. So once you get the acceptance letter from the Indian university, guys, you have to use that acceptance letter with all your identity or the document proof. You have to go to the Indian embassy in your own country. So you have to start applying for the student visa to come India. So with that acceptance letter as approved from the Indian university, you have to provide for the embassy and other important necessary document. Once you go to the Indian embassy in your country, they will tell you all the recommendation. You don't need to worry about that. But what you have to know here, the main thing is applying, getting the acceptance letter. Next thing, you have to go to the Indian embassy in your country and you have to apply for the student visa. So the student visa might take also, maybe it depends on your own country. For other countries it might take maybe 1 month, some other countries it might take less than 1 month. So that is not an issue, but how to apply is very important, guys. So after you get the student visa, now you can go for your flight ticket, and you know, that is the main process you have to do. And that is not only the thing, guys. So maybe in the next video I will share much more with you guys on what to know, what to consider when you're coming to study in India, because there is a lot you have to know, guys. You're coming here as a student, you will not have anyone to support or help you. You will be the only person responsible for yourself. You will be your own parent. You will be staying here alone. So there is thing to consider, like maybe hostel, or maybe to stay outside, because all accommodation and all this thing you have to consider, guys. So that is it for today only. You can tell me also what other things you want me to cover or you want me to explain for the next video, guys. Thank you so much. I'm currently in India. For any help regarding study in India, you can reach me out on my Instagram, Gabs Gabi, and all the best for you all.